Hey guys, what's up? I would not like to waste the time like others, so I am coming straight to the point and saying this is one of the best Apple Series 6 smartwatch clone available in the market. Not only because it is affordable and is just 5000 rupees, which is like 10 times less, but also because it is compatible with Android. So this is perfect for non-iPhone users like me. And once I show you the features, you will realize that the features are better than the actual watch. In this video, I'm gonna give a very genuine review to this Android watch. But apart from all these guys, this watch is made in India. So it is also contributing to the Indian workers and manufacturers and helping boycott foreign products. Okay, so with all these said, let's have a time lapse and quickly unbox this watch. Okay, so many of my friends were thinking that this was my birthday gift, but then just to clarify, I bought this with the help of my YouTube earnings. Like I used a part of my YouTube earnings and bought this watch. And what my birthday gift is, I will reveal it very soon, guys. It is 5 times more valuable and expensive than this. Yeah, I'll reveal it soon. But yeah, anyways, let's talk about this watch. In the case, there's no user manual. We just get a strap, the watch, and a wireless charger, magnetic wireless charger. I felt the quality is really good, but the strap quality is not that good. And also, I felt it's a bit weak, but still, it's worth the price. Okay guys, before talking about the features, let me tell you about Your Drives. Don't skip this part guys, because this video is sponsored by Your Drives. One of the best destinations for car rental is Your Drives. They provide outstanding outstation and self-drive cars from Hyderabad to anywhere in India. Premium BS6 car rental and hire services are also available guys, and all these are at affordable prices. So what are you waiting for guys? Click the link in the description and visit their official website or call the number right here. You can also follow them on Instagram at the rate of your drives, and the link of the IG handle also is given in the description. So do check it out now guys. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, let's turn on this Android watch. Okay, we just turned it on and we can see here this watch face, this animated watch face. Due to camera issue, the clarity is not good, but then the clarity of this watch is actually good. It's 240 into 240 pixel, so it's really good clarity we can see, and good colors combinations and everything. Okay, so here is the all the apps which you can find. You can call it apps or features you can find. We have a game there, we have Facebook, calendar, Bluetooth, oxygen monitor, calendar, Twitter, WhatsApp, voice assistant, and that's the settings button. We have the alarm, Bluetooth music. Oh, my Bluetooth is not connected, but yeah, Bluetooth music is there. You can control and listen to music because this watch has a microphone and a speaker. It's the torch. Oh my god, it's too bright. Let me go. Yeah, so that was a torch. And then we have the notification symbol there, and after that there's a quick, you can change the watch faces quickly. There are default watch faces, there are many default watch faces. You can customize your own watch faces too, but then they have given a couple of watch faces which are like default in the watch, which are also pretty good. You can literally call from this one. As I've already told you, there is mic and speaker. There is the phone book. I'm going to open it now. 1 minute. Yeah, that's the messaging. When Bluetooth is connected, you can open this, uh, where you can simply message from here itself once the Bluetooth is connected. And this is the I was talking about the keypad. From this you can directly call, you can talk through this phone, I mean the smartphone, like the smartwatch. I mean, you can talk to the smartwatch once the Bluetooth is connected, and that's the phone book and the keypad. And let me show you more. That's the Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. You have a clear view now. Camera has become better. Let me open the calculator. So this has not a complex call with log calculator and trigonometric ratios, but they are simple multiplication, addition, and subtraction for your basic needs, for quick needs, you can say. And then we can see here the sleep monitoring, the heart rate monitor, and if I didn't mention, there's also sports modes up there, which has covering a lot of sports modes like indoor badminton and all. Okay, why am I diving this? Anyways. So the look of it overall looks really classy, really rich. Back we can see the charging place where you can keep charging, and the heart rate monitoring sensors, which are not that accurate, you can say. But even the heart rate and oxygen and the blood pressure are really accurate. You can measure blood pressure also. All these are accurate, but the step counter is not that accurate, I feel, compared to other smartwatches, guys. That is one of the things I found really bad. And this also has rise to wake, means if you just by the turn of your wrist, you can just wake the watch. As you can see, it's not that quick, but it's good. And you can even keep your customized watch face, like I just kept it there, ss.r symbol. To subscribe, guys. And he's the look, how it look like when you keep it. Looks really cool on your hand, especially my hand. Lol, just kidding. But yeah, it really looks cool. Wait, guys, don't go. Okay, I have not told you anywhere in this video where I bought this watch from which manufacturer, from which company, and who transported this. And I have not given any Best Buy links for this in the description also. So you might be wondering why, right? Not only that, guys, I've not even told you and I've not even showed you about the heart rate monitoring, sleep monitoring, the steps tracking, the fitness modes, and anything of that sort, because I want to make a part 2 of it if this video gets 1,000 likes and 100 shares. So if this video gets 1,000 likes and 100 shares, I'm going to make a part 2 of it. I'll be showing you how to make customizable watch faces, the fitness tracking, and I'm also going to give you the link to buy it, so you can literally buy it after watching that video. So if you want that video to happen, like if you want that video to be posted by me, then this video should get 1,000 likes and 100 shares. It's not difficult, guys. 100 shares means if you share it to 10 people, 10% is over. So share it to as many people as possible. And yeah, end screens are there. Click for unboxing and subscribing. Bye bye.